Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Marka and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to marinate salmon fillet and how to sear it. So let's start. You can see guys, now we will put olive oil in salmon fillet which we already made a portion wise. So olive oil we will put, and right now we are making in a European standard. Okay, so we are searing the salmon fish in European standard. So first we put the olive oil, then in the second we put 2 pinch of salt oil. Salt, seasonal salt, or we can say it sea salt. So we will mix it nicely. So you can see I am mixing it all so carefully, because salmon is very soft meat, so you cannot use your hand like a hard area. So smoothly you have to mix all of them, because when you will mix it, so all the oil, all the sea salt, it can be mixed with everyone. So you can see how I am mixing this one. So it's the process, so you have to be always follow, because salmon fish is very soft fish. You cannot just like with your rub hand you cannot rub it. So slowly we will just marinate this all salmon fillet. I have lots of salmon fillet, you can see, because that time I was order for 20 packs reservation. So that day I was preparing, so it's time to sear it all. So you can see in my hand there is a tongue, and on the hot plate we will put the butter paper, okay, or cooking paper. So we will put, so because why I am putting this one, because if I will not put this one, so it can be sticky. If directly I will put this salmon fillet on the hot plate, so his skin will be sticky and it cannot be removed. So because of that I put over there butter paper. So you can see the color. Now we will flip it. So now you can feel the color of his skin and light brown, right, light brown. So this is the reason why I put over there on the top of a hot plate this butter paper. This is the reason, because I want to keep the skin also safe. So that's why I put there on the hot plate this butter paper or cooking paper. So how is it? Nice.